Hello friend, how are you today friend? Today Uncle will review new toys for you. Wow, we have a chicken, bird, goose and another animal. Okay friend, let's explain to you one by one. Wow, what is this? This is Swan. Wow, this is Swan. Wow, very cute white swan. Wow. And this one is hen. This is hen. In the real life, hen is like this. Okay, and the next is, wow, this is duck. Wow, this is hen and this is duck. Duck is like a goose, like swan. That is a family. Swan and duck, goose, and duck is a family. Wow, in the real life, duck is like this. Okay, and the next is, wow, this is also duck. This is white duck and this is the brown duck or bebe, or this is entok. Wow, yes, this is the white duck. Okay, in the real life, white duck is like this. Okay, the next is rooster. Rooster is a male chicken. Wow, chicken male or rooster. Wow, other name of male chicken is rooster. Wow, this is a rooster. Rooster have voice like this. Like that. Wow, this is a Rooster Toys. The next is turkey. Wow, we have turkey. Turkey is like a chicken, but the size is more big than a chicken. Chicken is small and turkey is big. Turkey is very delicious meat. Wow. Usually in the US, people eat the turkey. Wow. And this one is like goose. Wow, this is goose and this is also goose. Wow, this is dark goose, this is white goose. It's same. Oh, the size is different. White goose is more small than the dark goose. Okay. And the next is, wow, what is that? This is a rooster. This is also a rooster. Wow, the big size rooster. Very big. Wow. Okay, and the next is, wow, that is flamingo. Wow, this is the bird. This is flamingo bird. Wow, flamingo bird. Flamingo usually live in the near beach, in the lake, near lake, and another place with so many water. Okay, in the real life, flamingo is like this. Okay, and the next is, wow, this is ostrich. This is ostrich. Ostrich have eggs very big. The size of egg ostrich is like a human head. Wow, ostrich is so very fast for running. He cannot flying like flamingo bird. No, this is cannot flying. This is only running. Wow. And the flamingo, the running is slowly, but it can flying fast. Wow. This is flamingo, and this one is ostrich or burung onta, or camel bird. This is like camel bird. Okay friend, we have already reviewed all the new toys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. So uncle will repeat again to you. This is rooster. Wow, rooster same like this. Wow, this is the biggest one. This is a smallest one. Wow, this is goose. Wow, this is family with goose. And this one is turkey. Wow, turkey chicken. This is turkey chicken. This one is domestical duck. Wow, this is bebek or small duck. This is hen or female chicken. Wow, hen or female chicken. This one is flamingo. This one is ostrich. And this is a swan. Wow, this is swan. This one is goose. Okay. Okay friend. Uncle already reviewed all the video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye. I love you all.